eToro is an online trading and investment platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The platform allows users to trade and invest in these instruments, as well as to copy the trades of other successful investors on the platform. eToro also offers a range of educational resources and tools to help users improve their trading and investment skills. To use eToro, you need to create an account. Go to eToro website and click Join Now in the top right corner. Fill out the form with your personal information and create a unique username and password. Verify your identity. eToro will ask you to verify your identity by uploading a copy of your government-issued ID and a proof of residence, such as a utility bill. This is a standard process for most financial institutions and is required for compliance with anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer regulations. Fund your account. After your identity has been verified, you can fund your account by clicking on the Deposit Funds button in your account dashboard. eToro accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and online payment services such as PayPal and Skrill. Choose your investment. eToro offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. To start investing, simply search for the asset you want to invest in using the search bar at the top of the page. You can also browse the Popular Investors page to find and follow successful investors, or the Explore Markets page to see the performance of different asset classes. Place your order. Once you have found an asset you want to invest in, click on it to see more information and place an order. eToro offers both market and limit orders. A market order is executed at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set the maximum price you are willing to pay or the minimum price you are willing to sell for. You can also specify the amount you want to invest and set a stop loss or take profit order to automatically close your position if the market moves against you or reaches a certain level of profit. Manage your portfolio. You can view your portfolio and track the performance of your investments at any time by clicking on the Portfolio tab in your account dashboard. Here, you can see your overall portfolio value and the individual performance of each asset. You can also see any open trades, set alerts, and make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed.